Hey Sam, thanks for the response. So this here is my personal page for the Jiu-Jitsu Gym project here. It's something I've just started. So these are a bunch of videos that some of them were taken on Friday. Some of them are old from like 2008. But I just all uploaded them to this page just to kind of get the process started here. So when I go to my video manager, check my analytics here. It's kind of interesting. The question that you ask about, how long they're watching videos, and that kind of gets answered here in the analytics section. So right on the first page, I got my average view duration is 1 minute and 45 seconds, which that's interesting in itself. But when I come down here, this is what I find a lot more interesting in the geographies. So I'm assuming that everything that I'm doing is just being watched in the United States. There's not that many people that know, about this and what I've done, but I look here and I start seeing views from outside of the United States. Sorry, not outside of the United States, but different than Wisconsin. So Wisconsin is 61%, but I'm getting views from Illinois, Arizona, North Carolina. So that in itself is really interesting to me. And if I go back up here to the world, I'm seeing views from Germany, Taiwan, and it says for the U.S. though, this back in reference to your question, that the average view duration is 1 minute and 59 seconds. So that part is interesting because if you see here, most of my videos there's 2:16, 7 minutes. So I have a couple short ones and I have a couple that are actually a little bit longer. So I don't know, other than going back to the analytics and looking at each video itself. So yeah, watch time in minutes. So here we go. It still doesn't totally answer my question about it, and I haven't got to the point where I'm linking it to Facebook or anything else. So, but thanks. I really appreciate the comment.